Today guys, I've got a big budget video because I've got an iPad to customize. Yeah, see, I tried to make it look brand new, but you know I'm only on 330 subscribers, so I can't really afford a brand new one just yet. But here's my slightly used one. Don't worry, I'm gonna bring it back to life with some of this Among Us stuff. Do I know what Among Us is? Am I doing it for views? I've got to shout out Flamingo who suggested Among Us. So if you want to be featured in the next video, comment something cool and I'll do the rest. Anyway, hope y'all kids like it. Let's get into it.
Perfect, perfect.